We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Very carefully, we remove the upper antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you.